In the branches above, weaver birds craft nests of astonishing intricacy. These are the architects of the animal kingdom. With skillful beaks and relentless dedication, they twist and turn every strand, creating safe havens for their young. Each nest is a masterpiece, a labor of love, taking days to complete. The design is not just for show, it's for protection and comfort. But these nests are more than homes, they are statements. Males often build them to impress potential mates. In this tree of life, each nest interweaves into a community, a testament to the collaborative spirit of these feathered builders. As the day ends, the weaver birds rest, their homes a symbol of nature's ingenuity and grace.